Hello friends, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sort your notifications by priority. So when you swipe down on your phone, guys, from the top to the bottom there, you will find your notifications here, right on the notifications, right? And this is where your notifications normally show up. Now you might not know, but notifications might be sorted there by priority or by time, depending on what is set by default in your phone. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set this to sort it by priority. So it's going to show what is most important at the top there, right? So go ahead and do a swipe up on your phone and open up settings, then tap on notifications. Now under sort notifications, you will either see by time or also by priority. You can tap on that and you have the two options, sort by time or sort by priority. Now if you want to sort it by priority, you can simply go ahead and tap on sort by priority. And that's all there is to it. Now, when you go back to your phone and next time you have a bunch of notifications, those notifications will be sorted by priority once you swipe down. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.